Hey guys, we're live at 9:40. Sorry for the wait on this one. Battling for, it's a mini, excuse me, for Conn's Luke Jedi. I got 10 spots. Winner take all. And I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winner. But first, I'm going to adjust the title. Mini for Luke Jedi by Conn. Paste our 10 spots in. Going to roll the dice. Got to get a 5 or better. We didn't. I'm rolling again. We did. We got a 9. We're cooking now. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Abdul, round 1. Greg, 2. Greg, 3. Kevin takes round 4. Greg again on top in round 5 and 6. And 7. He's on a roll. Kevin takes round 8, and our winner is Abdul in at number 8. Congrats, Abdul. Here's the verification code to make things official. VEPKPS is our verification code. I am done at 9:41 p.m. as you can see here. There's the verification one last time. Official results. Abdul takes it. See you next time, guys. Thanks.